YouTube, 3 pieces of good news. It's Friday, which is awesome because it's nearly the weekend. The weather's looking okay, certainly down here in the south of the UK anyway. Second piece, 50 subscribers. Thanks very much, guys. Awesome to have you join us regularly. The third piece of good news is I'm going to go and pick up a new seat for my Blackbird, which, if you recall, or if you've seen my first video on the channel, I talk about the Blackbird a little bit and my dislike for the standard seat. I know I'm not alone in that. An awful lot of people dislike the standard seat on the Blackbird, don't find it very comfortable, and it's not very supportive. It's very flat in profile, which means that it doesn't stop you sliding backwards and forwards under acceleration and braking, which is a little bit inconvenient when you're riding a Blackbird, to be honest. And it's also not very well padded, so on the longer rides it does get a little bit uncomfortable, if I'm honest. I know some people find them okay, but with the amount of long rides that we're planning to do over the next year or so, I couldn't have the standard seat on here. So I'm just on my way to Elsmade in Wisbech, not too far from me at home. I'll put a link in the description below to them. It's elsmade.com. There are hundreds of examples of the seats that they make on their website. Pretty much something to suit everyone. I've gone for something fairly plain for the Bird. It's not a custom bike, so I'm trying to keep it fairly low key. They have done other seats for me in the past. They did the seat that's on the Bandit, which I'll do a video on at some point, and they also did the seat on the Custom Buell for me. So I've opted for their Airstream style of seat. Like I say, it's a fairly standard one. I've gone for a gel insert in the rider's position, again, just for increased comfort because of the sorts of distances that I'm looking to ride. You can have a gel insert put in the pillion position as well, if you carry a pillion all the time. I don't. I very rarely have a pillion on my bike, so for me there was no need. I got quite lucky because they had a Blackbird seat base available in stock, which meant that I didn't need to leave them my standard seat and have it recovered. It meant that I could keep my bike on the road. So yeah, that's why I'm able to just go and ride over and go and collect it. I could have gone in the car, but it's not that far from home, and it's not raining here yet, so if I need an excuse to get out on the bike in the first place. Like I say, they're not far from me at home. It's about a 35-minute ride through town, which isn't ideal. And there's a fair bit of traffic today, which is unusual. So we're nearly there now, guys, so I'll be back very soon with my butt parked on a much comfier seat, hopefully. So I'll see you soon. Hi guys, welcome back. Literally just left after picking up my new seat from Elsmade, and initial verdict is awesome. So much comfier and an awful lot more support as well. A raised nose on it and stopping me sliding around. So much better. You can feel the gel doing its thing. Quite bumpy road through here, deceptively so, but my bum is nice and comfortable. It's great. I will do a longer term review of this once I've put a few miles on it. Probably in the next couple of weeks, because we should get some longer rides in if the weather holds. Getting lucky with the traffic lights today. Clouding up again now, unfortunately. We are forecast a load of rain this afternoon, so I might get back before it does. If not, it won't be the first time I've got wet.